Hey everyone! In this video, you'll learn amazing Excel shortcuts that will save you time, boost your efficiency, and turn you into an Excel expert. Need a fresh start? Press Ctrl+N to instantly create a new workbook. It's quick, simple, and saves you time navigating menus. Searching for an existing file? Use Ctrl+O to open the file selection menu and access your saved work in seconds. Want to ensure you never lose your progress? Hit Ctrl+S to save your work. It's a habit every Excel user should master. Ready to print your masterpiece? Just press Ctrl+P to bring up the print menu. Adjust your settings, preview your file, and print with ease. Done with a file? Use Ctrl+W to close the current workbook, but keep Excel open for other tasks. Working on multiple windows and want to close just the active one? Ctrl+F4 has got you covered. And when you're completely finished, press Alt+F4 to close Excel entirely. Made a mistake? Don't panic. Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action instantly. Changed your mind and want to redo something? Ctrl+Y will bring it back. Need to copy data? Ctrl+C is your go-to shortcut. Select what you need, hit copy, and it's ready to paste. For moving data instead of copying, use Ctrl+X to cut it, and then place it wherever you need. Looking for more control over how you paste data? Ctrl+Alt+V opens the Paste Special dialog box, where you can choose to paste only values, formulas, formats, or even comments. Want to find something specific in a large dataset? Use Ctrl+F to open the Find dialog box. Type in your keyword, and Excel will highlight the matches instantly. Need to make changes across multiple cells? Press Ctrl+H to open the Replace dialog box. This is perfect for updating old information or correcting errors in bulk. Looking to select everything in your worksheet? Ctrl+A will do just that. Hit it once to select your current data range, and twice to grab the entire sheet. Want to work on a specific column? Press Ctrl+Space, and Excel will select the entire column of the active cell. This is great for applying formatting or functions. Similarly, if you need to work on a specific row, Shift+Space will select the entire row in one step. Ready to copy data down in a column? Use Ctrl+D to fill the data from the top cell into the ones below. It's a lifesaver for repetitive entries. For horizontal data, Ctrl+R works the same way. It fills the data from the leftmost cell across the selected range. Need to select a larger area? Ctrl+Shift+Space selects the entire column or row of the active cell. Press it again to select the entire worksheet if you're working on something big. Want more room to work? Ctrl+F1 hides or shows the ribbon at the top of Excel. Use it to declutter your workspace and focus entirely on your data. Need the ribbon back? Just press it again. Navigating your worksheet is easy with the arrow keys. Simply press any arrow key to move one cell in that direction, up, down, left, or right. It's a simple yet essential way to move around your data quickly. Need to move faster? Ctrl+Arrow key takes you to the edge of a data region in the direction you press, whether it's up, down, left, or right. It's perfect for jumping across large datasets without scrolling. Lost in a big worksheet? Ctrl+Home instantly takes you back to cell A1, the very start of your worksheet. Need to find the end of your data? Ctrl+End jumps straight to the last cell in your worksheet that contains data or formatting. Working with multiple sheets? Ctrl+Page Up moves you to the previous sheet in your workbook, while Ctrl+Page Down jumps to the next sheet. These shortcuts make navigating between tabs quick and seamless. Navigating large worksheets? Use Page Up to move one screen up and Page Down to move one screen down. These shortcuts are ideal for quickly scrolling through long datasets without using your mouse. Navigating across cells? Press Tab to move one cell to the right in your worksheet. It's perfect for quickly entering data across a row. Shift+Tab takes you one cell to the left. It's great for quickly navigating back through a row of data or revisiting cells you just worked on. Want to edit a cell without double-clicking? Press F2 to quickly enter edit mode for the active cell. Need to fill multiple cells with the same value? Ctrl+Enter lets you do it in one go. Type your data, press the shortcut, and Excel will fill all selected cells instantly. Want to add a line break within a cell? Alt+Enter lets you do just that. While typing in a cell, press the shortcut where you want the break, and continue typing on a new line within the same cell. Need to quickly insert today's date? Ctrl+Semicolon does it instantly. Just select a cell, press the shortcut, and Excel adds the current date. Want to add the current time? Ctrl+Shift+:, inserts the exact time into the selected cell instantly. Need to delete something fast? Ctrl+- lets you delete selected rows, columns, or cells instantly. Just select what you want to remove, press the shortcut, and choose your deletion option. Want to add rows or columns? Ctrl+Shift++, inserts new rows above or new columns to the left of your selection. It's quick and efficient. Need to hide rows quickly? Ctrl+9 hides the selected rows from view. It's perfect for decluttering your worksheet without deleting data. Want to unhide those hidden rows? Ctrl+Shift+9 brings them back instantly. Want to hide columns? Ctrl+0 quickly hides the selected columns, helping you clean up your view without removing data. Need to unhide columns? Ctrl+Shift+0 restores the hidden columns. Want to format cells quickly? Ctrl+1 opens the Format Cells dialog box instantly. From here, you can adjust number formats, alignment, fonts, borders, and more, all in one place. Need bold text? Ctrl+B applies or removes bold formatting from the selected cells instantly. Want to emphasize text? Ctrl+I toggles italic formatting on or off for the selected cells. Highlight key points? Ctrl+U adds or removes underlining for the selected text or cells. Need to apply currency formatting? Ctrl+Shift+$ formats the selected cells as currency. Want to quickly apply percentage formatting? Ctrl+Shift+% converts the selected cells into percentages without decimal places. Need to sum a range instantly? Alt+= automatically inserts the sum function for the selected range. Need help with functions? Shift+F3 opens the Insert Function dialog box, where you can search for and insert any Excel function with ease. It's a great way to explore functions and get assistance with their arguments. Want to quickly turn your data into a table? Ctrl+T converts your selected range into an Excel table, making it easier to sort, filter, and analyze data. Just select your data, press the shortcut, and Excel will prompt you to confirm the range. Then enjoy the built-in table features. Need to filter your data quickly? Ctrl+Shift+L applies or removes filters to your dataset instantly. Just select any cell within your data range, press the shortcut, and Excel will add drop-down filters to each column header, making it easier to sort and filter information. Want to access drop-down options quickly? Alt+down arrow opens the drop-down list for the selected cell in a filtered column or data validation list. Need to remove duplicate values? Opens the Remove Duplicates dialog box, allowing you to easily identify and delete duplicate entries in your dataset. Want to sort your data quickly? Alt+D+S opens the Sort dialog box, allowing you to sort your data by one or multiple columns, in ascending or descending order. It's a great way to organize your data efficiently with just a few keystrokes. Want to adjust column width automatically? Alt+H+O+I auto-fits the selected columns to perfectly match the content inside. You can also auto-fit column width by double-clicking the right edge of a column header. This adjusts the column to fit the longest entry in that column instantly. Need a quick chart? Alt plus F1 creates a default chart, usually a column chart, from your selected data and places it directly on the same worksheet. It's a fast way to visualize your data without navigating menus. F11 generates a default chart based on your selected data and places it on a separate worksheet.